specifically, accomplish your next big life goal over the next 12 weeks. Well, that is not specific at all. It's not niche down either. So it can be specific, like land your next leadership role, maybe stop crashing by 3 p.m. instead of improve your romantic relationship. It can be, stop just having the same fight over and over again and reconnect within 8 weeks using communication. So as you can see in the specific examples that I've laid out here, in some cases, if you're able to write a specific timeline under which people can get results if they actually show up to your sessions and follow along with your advice, make sure to include it. In some cases, it's not really possible and you can't really make that promise, and that makes sense. If it's not possible, then don't include it. I have written copy for coaches in the past where it wasn't really possible to set a timeline on it for a specific reason, and so that's okay. But if you can, it helps you to make it even more specific, and it will help you to get people to really get trust in that process. As I said earlier, even if it can help all types of people get all sorts of results, your primary messaging should go with one niche.